Okay, I have two very critical questions, um, and if they involve a joint discussion with Brandfolder, let me know right away so we can pull that together. Question number one. So, in order to set up this question, I have to show you that in an asset, and I know we've talked about this before, but I'm finally understanding it, so sorry for taking so long to understand it. But you have the description field here, which shows up when you're adding it in the Drupal integration. Then you also have the custom field for alt text, which does not show up, but is a more specific place to put something that is specifically alt text because it's not called description. So it's really obvious that that would be alt text. And if I put something there, here's my question. So I'm going to put testing alt text here, which is bad because that's not what this is. And then the description is actually, in this case, what the alt text should be, which is logo for Fairfax County Public Schools with the tagline Engage, Inspire, Thrive. Okay, now when I am over here editing a site, let's go to this page and edit. Bear with me. And I add an image. I'm going to go to that same logo. So we have the division logo. So I'll sort by division logo. By the way, everything's working great. I just have to really figure out these two key things. Come on. There we go. It was this one. So you'll notice the description shows up here, which is great because if we have to use this every time we add an image, if we always have to use backup alt text, then we should use the description because it will make it easy for the web curator to easily copy and paste from there to there, since they won't see the alt text custom field here. However, if this is pulling from that alt text custom field, then that's unnecessary and we don't have to tell them to use description in Brandfolder when they're adding assets to Brandfolder. We don't have to tell them to use description as the alt text. So I have to figure out how to train people. So I have to know what's possible. If, for instance, I add this asset right now without typing anything in here, is it going to pull it from that alt text custom field? And if so, how would they know that there's something in that field? So it seems to me like if we need to get a meeting together with Brandfolder, I'll pull that together. But let me know anything that you know about this or any recommendations that you have, because it seems like I could tell people to use description for alt text and then to copy and paste it from there to there when adding assets. That might not be the best solution, but that's what I see as possible. So that's question number one. Let me know what that's all about. So, all right. Well, now I have it in there twice, but you get the idea. We did talk about maybe having a icon size here, which is smaller than small. But I'm adding this twice just to see what the difference is between medium and large. I mean medium and small. So I have it in there as small already, and now I'm adding it as medium also, just so I can see the difference. Okay. Yeah, I think I like small. All right. Question number 2. Let's go back to here. And because I've added this to a website, I now will see in the usage tab that there is a CDN link for it. Must be on the wrong one here. It's this one. Usage. That's weird. It was here a minute ago. Well, let me pick something different. That's really strange. Maybe I need to refresh. It says you don't have any CDN links yet. Well, let me pick one that I know does. I'll go to graphics. And here comes the bus. All right, here we go. So in the usage tab, I can see that this has been used in a Google Doc. But of course, if I click on that, it doesn't take me to that specific Google Doc, which I can understand that. But as far as the integration with the web page, it shows here that it's there's a CDN link used on a page, which means it's been put on a page through the Drupal integration, and that there's been 76 views on that, but you don't see which pages it's on. And so my question is this: once this goes live, would you then see all the different pages that an asset has been used on? Or will it always just have that one slash and take you to the root of the site, no matter how many pages it's used on? And if the answer is the latter, then can we get a meeting with Brandfolder to figure out how to make it work so that you can see in the usage the pages that assets are used on? And those are my two big questions. Thank you so much.